This is a Noisy House production.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the PokéDad. So in today's video, we actually got ourselves a PokéRev Mega Bonus Pack. It's 5 packs with 1 bonus pack, and you know, the minimum pack you can get is the green tier all the way up to the gold tier. You've probably seen these opened up on his channel. He just dropped a new batch of them, so I figured I was able to get one. Let's try it. We're hoping for a gold, but I'd be happy with a silver or red. I mean, anyway, I'd be happy with anything I get, actually. But the green is a minimum guarantee. Get a Sword and Shield era pack. Red is XY Sun and Moon era. Silver is Black and White era. And the gold is the Platinum, Heart Gold, Soul Silver era, and Wizards of the Coast. So let's go ahead and open up our PokéRev pack. I'll try to very nicely take care of the thing here. And we'll go with our packs first. For our packs, we got Brilliant Stars, Lost Origin, Astral Radiance, Fusion Strike, and a Pokemon Go. Okay. We also get a PokéRev sticker. Aha, that's pretty sweet. It feels like a high quality one too, not one of those cheaply made stickers. So I'll have to slap that on something. And oh wow, we got a red tier. That's cool. So we didn't get the green, we got the red. I'll take that. So it'll be either XY and Sun and Moon era. So we'll have to see what we get. So we'll actually open up these packs now. And we'll start with some Pokemon Go. We actually completed this set pretty quickly. So there's the code card if anybody wants it. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a V-Star marker, Pokestop, Camera Up, Xatu, Bidoof, Magikarp, Onyx, Pidove, Eevee, Meltan, and a Commodore V alternate art. Okay. I have probably 3 of these alternate arts, and just one of them Mewtwo V alt arts. But, I mean, hey, an alt art pull out of a PokéRev pack? That's pretty sweet. I'll take it. Let's get a sleeve. We're hoping we can get some bangers in today's video. Alright. Moving on, we'll go into our Fusion Strike pack. Yeah, I was actually surprised that I was able to get one. I was watching this live stream and he announced that he was releasing them, and I rushed over to a store. Just got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I just got 1 and figured I'd take a chance. And I think we did pretty good. We got a red tier, so that's cool. Green energy. We got a Bukimuku, Eldergross, Power Tablet, Caterpie, Morpeko, Eevee, Shelder, Voltorb, Cross Switcher, and a holographic Toxtricity. So nothing too special out of that pack. We did have some first pack magic. We'll move on to our Astral Radiance. And it was actually the stream that we were watching was the one where he was opening up all of the Lost Origin, trying to complete the set. And we watched that whole stream actually, and he ended up needing just the Aerodactyl V Altar. 2, 3, 4. Which is crazy to open up as many packs as he did and not pull out Psychic Energy, Roxanne, Grant, Cyndaquil, Quillfish, Julian Growlithe, Bergmite, Rufflet. Ooh, Hoot Hoot. And Nataman. So we got a Trainer Gallery Hoot Hoot. I'm not sure if I actually pulled this one. So we're actually getting some good pulls out of this little mystery pack. Honestly, if I would say PokéRev is one person I would trust to order mystery packs from, because he's legit, and I'm sure he wouldn't put his reputation on the line to sell bougie mystery packs. Alright, moving on to Lost Origin. Can this heat streak continue? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy. Avipom. Damage Pump. Doppler. Rockruff. Seal. Dynamo. Seedot. Horsey. Porygon. And a holographic Sableye. So I want to say almost every pack has had a hit in it so far. Well, I mean, minimum being a holo, but hey, moving on to some brilliant stars. All right, cool card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Fire Energy, Gloria, Starvia, Berry, Sock, Corfish, Golett, Chimchow, Chimchar, Reverse, and a Haxorus. So our first pack, well, that was a strikeout. But the lineup's pretty good of packs that we got. I mean, I'm happy with it. All right, now let's move on to our red tier pack. So XY, Sun and Moon era. Wow, a Sun and Moon Forbidden Light. This is from, what year is this from? Sorry, I don't even know. Manufactured 2018. So this is kind of an older pack. Some Forbidden Light. Let's go ahead and open it up. Do my best to save the pack art just for the memory. Next time he does another round of these PokéRev packs, I'm definitely gonna do this again. Yeah. So we got a Forbidden Light pack. Cool card. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Fairy Energy, Dedenne, Go-Goat, Floette, Pancham, Bergmite, Scatterbug, Goomy, Dewpider, Reverse Ultra Space, and a non-holo Heatran. Well, I'd say that was still pretty cool. First pack we got the Alternate Art Conkeldurr, the Hoot Hoot Trainer Gallery, and of course our PokéRev sticker. Pretty satisfied with it. Kind of wish I would have ordered 2. Like I said, the next time I'm gonna order a couple when he does the next drop of them. But PokéRev really hit these home with these, so appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.